Hey everybody, how are you? Happy Monday, January 12th. I hope you had a great weekend. Of course, it's Gregor Baird of Gregor Speaks. Just hanging out today. I had to do laundry today. I got a busy day tomorrow. Usually Tuesday is my laundry day. But I did that today. I had a little gig work for my lectures this morning. I got some more. Trying to improve this one profile I have on the website, and they're upgrading right now. So I'm trying to work with them to get things going. So that's what I'm doing. This weekend, I decided Sunday that I was going to go downtown and kind of roam around, check things out. It was safe downtown, just want to let you know, downtown Chicago. But I went to a place because I've been intrigued by it for a while called the Eastland Disaster. There's a plaque downtown on the corner of Wacker and LaSalle. So if you're ever visiting, you might want to go there. It's a historical monument, but this horrible boat accident, it was the worst ever on the Great Lakes, and I believe by a single ship in the United States, it was the worst ever in the United States. About 844 people were lost, called the Eastland Disaster on July 24th, 1950. And what it was the Western Electric Company was planning a day out on a ship, on like a tour boat, and they were going to go down to Michigan City, and they had like a carnival plan. It was like a picnic thing to help just celebrate the employees and a day just for all of the families. Well, the people got on the boat overcrowded. A lot of them were wearing like suit coats, and the women were wearing long dresses and things, very heavy. Well, they crowded too many people in the boat. It was top heavy, and the whole boat turned upside down in the river, and we lost here in Chicago 844 lives. Absolutely horrendous. And my friend and I had gone to the cemetery just west of here, where they have the Eastland Disaster Memorial, and also people at the grave sites, and there was families that were decimated. And I think a lot of those families were of Polish descent. And if you ever get a chance to go, look it up on the web, but the grave sites have their photos of the mom, dad, the children, and everything. So very sad. But I wanted to go there, just kind of pay my respects and check it out along with my walk. So you're going to see that on the video along with some other things. I went to the largest Starbucks in the world. I went to the Harry Potter store, the new Harry Potter store. So you're going to see all this video after it, and I hope you enjoy it. So have a great day ahead. I will check in with you on Thursday. Be kind in this crazy world that we live in. My, oh my, what are we doing, right? Be good people. Reach out to your neighbors. Reach out to your loved ones. Just say hello. Make sure they're doing well. And I'll see you Thursday. Take care. Okay, so this is a first, but you gotta check this out. Check this out.
Welcome in, hello.
Thank you.